How to fix Roblox chat glitch on mobile. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you're having glitch problem on your Roblox chat, it is pretty simple to solve it. Start off by logging in into your account and make sure that your Roblox app is up to date. Now, to fix the issue, first and foremost, check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into mobile data or turn on the airplane mode for a couple of seconds. Then you can turn it back off and connect to a better Wi-Fi network. If the problem still exists, there might be a bug or a glitch issue causing such problem. To solve it, head over and tap Open your phone settings. Within your phone setting, scroll down and click on Apps. In the Apps option, tap on All Apps. In here, you need to head over and search for your Roblox app. Start off by force stopping your app, then OK. And head over to Storage and Cache to tap on Clear Cache. This will solve any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Then right over here, you will see this open button. You need to tap on it. This will redirect you to your Roblox. And with a quick refresh, you can go ahead and check for the chat issue to resolve. This solves all of your issues, so make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.